Are you sick of squandering time and resources on the creation of your next mobile application? Does the process of developing an app appear to be one that is difficult to understand and deal with? You have a fantastic concept for a mobile application, but you have no idea how to go about building it. We take a look at the top 5 mobile app creation ideas to individuals who want to create their own app but have little to no experience with coding. Before we reveal the solutions, make sure to subscribe to our channel now. We investigated the main app making platforms that have a demonstrated history of success in the creation of mobile apps that are up to date, practical, and aesthetically pleasing. You don't need any prior experience with coding to get started using mobile app templates and tools. All you need is a concept for an app. Using a mobile app template reduces the amount of time and money that you have to invest in the production of your future app. App templates from CodeCanyon are used by many novice programmers as a teaching tool to help them improve their coding skills, while experienced programmers use them to get a head start on their next app project. The cost of hiring app developers is high, and it can be difficult and time-consuming to build your next app without the assistance of a professional. When selecting an app developer, there are a number of factors to take into consideration to ensure that the platform you choose will be able to meet the requirements of your project. The simplicity of operation is among the factors that should be given the most weight. The app developer ought to provide for dragging and dropping functionality, have an intuitive user interface, and be easy to navigate. In addition, customization options are essential because they permit you to tailor the software to your specific needs. This makes them very important. Pricing is another crucial factor to take into consideration because it has an immediate effect on the funds available for the project. Be sure the platform you pick has a pricing structure that is suitable for the funds you have available. The quality of an app developer's customer service is another factor to consider while making your selection. Pick a platform that provides robust options for customer support, such as a sizable knowledge base, active forums, and live chat support for questions and concerns. Last but not least, it is essential to ensure that your software is compatible with various app stores, especially if you plan to distribute it on more than one platform. Make sure the app builder you choose has support for the app stores you intend to distribute your app on to avoid any compatibility. Number 5. CodeCanyon. CodeCanyon is an online marketplace for developers, where they can purchase and sell ready-to-use software components, plugins, and scripts for a variety of programming languages and platforms. The website provides users with access to a diverse selection of goods, such as WordPress plugins, PHP scripts, mobile app templates, and other software components, all of which are intended to accelerate the process of developing websites, mobile applications, and other types of software projects. The platform is perfect for developers, business owners, and individuals who require ready-to-use software components to tackle a particular problem inside their website or software project but do not have the time or money to develop new software from the ground up. CodeCanyon is a trusted marketplace since it provides a platform for the community to publish their work, communicate with customers through rating and review systems, and offer support to other community members. As a consequence of this, the platform has evolved into an essential resource not only for software developers and businesses that want to increase the efficiency of their software development processes but also for individuals who are interested in purchasing reasonably priced and trustworthy software components for their own websites or projects. In CodeCanyon, you'll find more than 9,000 of the most useful mobile app templates and tools that have ever been developed. You may purchase these high-quality templates and tools with a low-cost one-time payment, thereby improve the app experience that your users get when they use your app. Number 4. MobEasy. On the Google Play Store, the software that allows users to easily create mobile applications without the need to code has the number 1 spot in the tools category. It has received exceptionally high rating points as well as positive reviews. MobEasy, build mobile applications without coding for Windows, has currently been downloaded over 1,000,000 times and has received an average user rating of 4.1 stars. The majority of the applications that can be downloaded from the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store are designed specifically for use on mobile devices. But did you know that even if the official version of the software for your PC platform is not yet ready, you may still use any of your favorite Android or iOS apps on your laptop? There are, in fact, A few easy hacks that you can use to install Android apps on a machine running Windows and use them in the same way that you use them on Android smartphones. Number 3. Flutter. With Flutter, you can create aesthetically pleasing native apps for both iOS and Android while using only a single codebase. Flutter is a cross-platform framework, which means that applications written with it can be deployed and operated on computers running a variety of operating systems. For instance, in both Apple's iOS and Google's Android, the fact that any modifications made to the code are immediately reflected in the code is one of the ways that the hot reload feature of Flutter makes it simpler for users to construct their own applications. G2 has compiled all of the reviews and hosts them on its website. What aspects of Flutter do you find annoying? Flutter is created from the Dart programming language. Because of this, it is essential for a person to have a fundamental understanding of Dart as an object-oriented programming language before they can begin utilizing Flutter. Flutter is also immature because it has been absent for a considerable amount of time. Apps that are built with Flutter are also large, and as a result, installing them requires a large amount of storage space. Flutter is a solution to the problem of having to write code for multiple platforms on which the applications will run. Flutter provides a single codebase that can be used by applications running on multiple platforms, such as Android and iOS. Flutter is a solution to the problem of application development taking too much time because it is both highly quick and very efficient. Number 2. Reskin WordPress. If an app doesn't work successfully, the people who design it waste their time, money, and energy producing it. Reskinning an app can help cut down on the amount of time and money that is wasted. App reskinning refers to the process of wrapping previously written source code with a fresh aesthetic. You can also extend the source code further or make some minor adjustments to it, provided that the overall concept is not altered. Even though this method is utilized far more frequently in gaming apps, it is nevertheless applicable to other types of apps as well. When you are browsing the App Store, you might come across some apps that look very similar to one another. These are apps that share a similar concept and design but do not perform the same exact function. There are applications with new skins. Why consider app scrubbing? The decision not to develop brand new software from the ground up comes with a number of significant advantages. The decision to reskin apps is driven mostly by the following 3 goals, which are as follows. Reskining apps saves money, takes less time, reduces the amount of labor required to reskin an app, and is a strategic approach that can save businesses time and resources. Number 1. Order from Fiverr. You are able to take your app project all the way through to completion with the assistance of freelance app developers and app builders that you can find on Fiverr. This is true even if you have absolutely no knowledge of app development and even if you do not have the slightest bit of experience in programming. You may get it done in only 24 hours if you hire a bespoke app developer service for either iOS or Android. Share your favorite way of creating an app and subscribe to our channel before you leave.